How to set up Roku remote application on your Android device or on the PC or on your iPhone. So for this I'm going to simply tell you the steps because I don't have a Roku TV right now. So I can only tell you the total steps by which you can simply solve this. Search for Roku remote on the Google Play Store of your Android device, and then every Android device comes with a Play Store where you can find millions of applications or apps compatible with your Android devices. So go to the Play Store and search for Roku Remote here and download any of the application you think that will be suitable for you and that is genuine. After you install the application, now this is quite simple to add your remote to it. You simply have to turn on the Wi-Fi or the Bluetooth mode or the searching device mode of your Roku TV and then simply click on install application. After you install it, open it, and then you will see the same menu like any other remote application online for connecting your Roku TV. Tap on the connect option, that is your Roku TV Ultra. Whenever you will click it, you will see that your account or your TV is connected to your remote, and then you can control your Roku with your Android device from the iPhone also. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.